From the Library of Congress in Washington, D.C.
Hi, I'm Judy Dixon, Consumer Relations Officer at NLS. In this edition of the BARD Mobile How-To series, I'm going to cover navigating a Braille book. Using the navigation panel is the best way to navigate a Braille book. To use the navigation panel, select the navigation button in the top right corner of the Now Reading screen.
Volume, input search, navigation, button. Navigation, navigation. Joy of cooking, back button.
If you are using an iPhone or iPod, selecting the navigation button will bring you to a new screen. If you are using an iPad, the navigation panel will open in a popover screen.
Navigation, heading. Volume, button. What selected, page, button. Bookmark, button. 3 of 3.
Beneath the navigation heading are 3 buttons. Volume, which lists the volumes of the book, Page, which lists the pages of the book, and Bookmark, which by default are the beginning and end of the book and any others you have added. The first time the navigation panel is opened for each book, Page is selected.
Navigation, heading. Volume, button. What selected, page, button. Bookmark, button. 3 of 3. Selected, page 1.
Double tap the device or use the router buttons on your Braille display to navigate by bookmark.
Bookmark, select bookmark, button. 3 of 3. Selected, bookmark, 3 of 3.
Pan right on the Braille display or flick right on the iOS device to move through the list of pages, volumes, or bookmarks.
Beginning of book, end of book. Beginning of selected page, button. Selected, page, 2 of 3. Bookmark, selected, page 2, page 3, page 4.
Panning right can be done with .5 plus spacebar on the Braille display, but most Braille displays have a dedicated key to perform this action. The lists of volumes, pages, and bookmarks can be scrolled through by groups of items by doing a 3-finger swipe up on the iOS device.
Rows 10 to 19 of 243. Rows 19 to 29 of 243.
Or using a dots 1, 4, 5, 6 plus spacebar on the Braille display.
Rows 29 to 38 of 243. Rows 38 to 47 of 243.
To leave the navigation screen,
Joy of cooking, back button.
touch the back button in the top left corner. It is possible to move through the book with shortcut keys. A Next on the Braille display with an N key will move to the next page.
Comma, special, symbols.
A P on the Braille display for previous will move to the previous page. There are navigation controls on the bottom half of the device's interface. Though the Jump By, Previous, and Next buttons can be used to navigate a Braille book, it is strongly recommended that you use the shortcut keys on your Braille display.
This has been a presentation of the Library of Congress. Visit us at loc.gov.